Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Hey yo, what up, family? It's your boy, Dog47, aka Miyagi the DJ, aka this is not Madanolo, this is not Black Driver. So we back again, family, with another quick video, man. This tutorial is for those people who want to make their FPS go beyond 100.
Cap.
Secondly, increase the speed of your PC.
Cap.
So you are in the right place, man. Let's just get to it. First thing first you're gonna do, you're gonna click Windows and R button on the keyboard, okay?
Okay.
So it will show this. Make sure you type prefetch on run, okay?
Okay.
Then press OK. It will bring you here, continue to give it access. And select every file that's here, bruh, and click delete, okay?
Okay.
These are unnecessary files on your PC that makes your PC store data that it doesn't need. Again, you're gonna click Windows and R. Then type the following prompt: %temp %. Then click OK, okay?
Okay.
Then select everything, delete everything. This ones that says you can't do whatever in this, just do this to all current items and skip, because these are the programs running, meaning you can't delete them because they are actually running in the background of your PC. Lastly, you're gonna go again, Windows and R, then temp this time, no percentage, just type TMP. There. Then click OK. Once again, select everything, delete, and skip. Lastly, what you're gonna do is open your Windows button on your keyboard and type disk cleanup. Make sure when you get here, you run it as administrator, okay?
Okay.
Then click OK on the drive that has Windows, and make sure you check everything here from Windows Defender until the last one that says thumbnails, okay?
Okay.
And click OK and delete these files. These files, they are unnecessary files too, bruh. Like, come on, bruh. It's saying the unnecessary files on your machine. So it's gonna clean up unnecessary files on your machine. Then it's gonna increase your FPS and everything.
Cap.
Lastly, you're gonna head over to your Windows Explorer, right click and go to Properties and go to Advanced System. Then make sure you are at Advanced. Make sure you click on the Performance, Visual, whatever the thing, Settings, and make sure you click this one. Adjust for best performance, not best appearance or custom or whatever the thing on top is. Make sure you click on adjust for best performance, then apply, then click OK, then OK. Trust me, you're done. That's how you increase the FPS and everything that has to do with your gaming on your PC.
Cap.
See you on the next one, bro. Dog47 is out. Peace.
Yeah.